Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Xiaomi 14 Ultra. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then move all the way down and enter additional settings. Inside there's the gesture shortcuts, and here we can see all of the options. First one is launch Google Assistant by pressing and holding power button for half a second. Next is take a screenshot. There's two options: slide 3 fingers down from top of the screen to take a screenshot, or use volume down key plus power key at the same time to also take a screenshot. Next is a partial screenshot. Hold 3 fingers onto your screen and you should be able to make a partial screenshot. Launch camera by double pressing a power button from any screen. Turn on the torch by also pressing a double pressing the power button, but in that case you will need to replace it with a camera, so choose one of them. And the last option is a back tap, and that one you can customize. So if you click on it, you can change different option for double back tap, like open a camera. And for triple back tap, we want to take a screenshot. So we're gonna pick up our phone, and I think we just need to tap right here because there's a jar camera right there, and I mean a lid of jar camera. So let's try double tapping on the back. Yep, it works right here, fine. And then triple tap also works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.